I'm doing a review on the ceiling fan with a light. It also comes with a remote. It was super easy to set up, and it's got functions. So it's got the fan. It's pretty strong. I've had it up for about a month and a half, and it's still working well. No problems. It's pretty sleek too. It's not very big. I enjoy it. I've got two of them, as you can see, one down here as well. That's the same idea with the remote. Fan on. You can turn the light off. And you can turn it, and then you can turn it on again.